ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Salamat po. Thank you. Kindly sit down. First of all, I would like to thank the pasasalamatan ko po ang Qatari government, lalo na si His Majesty the Emir of Qatar sa pagpersonal niyang pagyaya sa akin dito, and because His benevolence of allowing us to use the stadium, nakita ko kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And, you know, marami to, pero if you'll just bear with me, I am not quite adept with the Tagalog dialect. Kasi kami taga Davao halo. But there are words that are really so I'd like first to introduce to you the closest to your heart in connection with your journey here in the Middle East is Secretary Silvestro Bello, the Department of Labor. Kami po rito karamihan ay mga probinsyano. Taga-dormitory kaming lahat halos. And ang sunod katabi niya, isang Ilocano rin. At mahusay na general. He was a good soldier of the Republic, and now he's in the service of the civil government, Secretary Delfin Lorenzana. Ang ating DTI, Department of Trade and Industry, Simon Lopez. Then yung Secretary of Energy natin sa ating importation or exportation, whatever it is, that's something to do with the energy is Al Cosi. Manager siya ng NAIA noon. And on the left is, alam mo yung ambassador ninyo, ka-roommate ko to. Halos lahat ng cabinet members nyo, magka-roommate kami ng dormitoryo. Puro kami probinsyano. Ang nasa gobyerno ngayon, hindi mga taga-Maynila. Puro probinsyano. Alan Timbayan is si Tausug. And he will roommate kami nito for 4 years. You know, for the 4 years that we were together, I cannot remember of any instance na we argued or none at all. Kaya sabi ko, inang iba dito sa Pilipinas, bakit? Kung experience ko kay Minton Lai, si Alan, they're really good tausugs. At wala lang, you know, do not traverse into the prohibited loose talks. We can well work together with our Moro brothers in the Philippines. Nandito po ang ating acting secretary, Secretary Manalo of the Foreign Affairs. Then ang ating Secretary of Health, si Secretary Ubial. Another Ilocano, taga Cagayan, Tugigaraw. Classmate ko to. He was the valedictorian of our class. Bilyonaryo na ito nung pumasok sa cabinet. Totoo. Kasi bright eh. Arthur Tugade. Ang aking presidential spokesman, si Ernie Abella. Then, another Ilocano from Pangasinan, General Esperon, National Security Advisor ko. Ang sa likod, yung fashion boy. Makita naman ninyo sa forma, si Sal Panelo. Bicolano to, from Naga. Ang susunod sa kanya, isa ring Maranao. He's the head o chairman ng TESDA, si Jean Mamundong. Ang katabi niya, isa ring Maranao. Brad ko sa klase namin, kabats ko talaga ito, si Abdullah Mamao. Isang Ilocano rin. Puro Ilocano itong nagwapo. At maaga itong nag-retire. Palagay ko maaga rin itong nag-asawa. General Roy Simato. Ito yung pinapapunta ni President Arroyo noon, yung evacuation sa Iraq. Pati yung paggulo, yung unang putok ng kaguluhan dito. Siya ang pinapadala dito. He is the special envoy for the Middle East affair. Siya yung inaatasan namin to take care of the evacuation noon. Ang sumunod sa kanya, si Mayor Lani ng Taguig, Cayetano. Ang husband niya, si Senator Alan Cayetano. Ang katabi niya, ang senior aide ko, taga Davao ito, si Bongo. Then, isa itong hinahanap ng mga babae palagi. Kung saan mapunta ng probinsya, hinahanap kung saan si Secretary Andanar. Huwag na ninyong hanapin yan, kay 5 na ang asawa niyan. Then we have the congressman for the OFW, Congressman Bertiz.